Again, I'm a bird. I think I'm gonna leave this game and join other baseline server.
I can finally fulfill my dream. I'm a bird.
I'm a bird!
Yeah, but that sucks.
Your mother.
Screw this, I'm leaving.